Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So if you remember my video from Friday, super frustrating week last week, breaking rules like a total noob, okay? Just really like, what are you doing type of trading. So coming in Monday morning, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for one trade, two trades, three trades max, unless I see what I want, and then I'm just going to cut it and shut it down. But I'm trying to limit the amount that I trade per day because I really think that is what is really hurting me. So I'll go up in the morning most of the time. My trades that I take are well thought out trades. I have a high win rate on these trades. And for some reason, watching the market during the day, you think you see setups, and sometimes watching the market too much is not good. And you end up taking more trades, and then you go from your green to your red. So that's not what I'm going to do this week. So this is day one. This is day one of, really strict discipline. And I'm going to do it this week. I don't care if I go down the first trade, the second trade, I'm just going to cut it. And I'm not going to try to get back to green. I'm not going to break that rule that I'm setting for myself this week. Okay. And going forward, I'm going to try to trade a little bit less. So I'm setting that, right off of the bat. And if you guys struggle yourself, I suggest you do that, especially coming into a week that we're seeing like a ton of economic data, macro events, the Fed, the FOMC, the rates are going to be changed, so it's going to be tough to figure out. So going and coming in here today, I wait very patiently until 7 a.m. hits. Okay. A lot of my trades that weren't working were happening in this choppy trading really early in the pre-market. So I wanted to see where we were, once direction really showed itself, and then I was going to jump on board. So what I did here, and this was perfect, and I'm just going to open this up, make it a little bit bigger for you guys. What I did was I took two trades. That's it. I went short two contracts at 7:12 a.m. Eastern time, and then I went short two contracts at 8:49 Eastern Standard Time. And that's it. I took two trades up 87.50, and I don't think there's any reason why I should continue to trade at this point. This is exactly what I needed. This is exactly the way that I wanted to start. Now, I'm going to break down these trades because these were highly technical trades that I took using indicators, and I'm going to show you. The indicators that I use is VWAP when I'm trading futures, VWAP and price action. That's it. And trend lines. And trend lines. Trend lines very important also. But when I'm trading futures, I'm looking at VWAP and I'm looking at the price action. And I also have up on another screen here the NQ. Okay. I'm trading the micro E-mini, which is the S&P 500. That's what I'm trading. But I want to see, because we've seen extreme weakness in the NASDAQ market. So once that starts to roll over, I get very interested in taking a short on the S&P 500 because this is going to take down this. So that's why I have the NQ up here on another screen, on another chart, just so I can see what other things are trading. All right. So don't just focus on, your instrument. You got to focus on what else may change the price of what you're trading. Okay. Whether you're trading this and you want to look at Apple, which has a 7-8% weighting on it, that's something that you can do. But, you know, the NQ is good. That's what I'm having, you know, down here. So once this started to roll over after 7 a.m., and once I see here, I mean, this was setting up very nicely. So once NQ's rolling over, and once we break VWAP, which we didn't do until this dip here. So once VWAP breaks right here, I'm getting in short, the NQs are dragging it down, and I take a short. My price target is this previous pivot low right here from the pre-market in the UK. So the UK opens, comes back down. This is where it kind of turned itself around. So I'm looking to take profit right there. I'm not getting greedy here. That's a 5-point move. Totally happy with that in the futures market. That's really good in the futures market. And then it pops back up here to a high of 41.37. So that's why I like to scalp. Scalp, get out, take your profit, and then the market a lot of times will bounce. And it bounced right off of this same level. And then it breaks that level. So if I was still around during this move, which I wasn't at this time right here, I took, I took the platform off. I went into our Discord and I started to do a lot of work in there for the group. We came back down to a low of 41.11. So right here, 41.11, we bounced up, and then we started trading here in a channel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this drawing. I'm going to pull this up, and you're going to see the channel that this was trading in. Okay. So right here, what I'm waiting for, are we going to get that push up inside the channel here, you know, to maybe 21.25 or higher? Or are we going to break this channel? And if we do break the channel, then I'm looking to get short for another scalp to previous lows. And that's what my take profit was the previous lows right here. Put my order out, got filled, and then we shot right back up. That was a very good scalp trade. 2 well thought out trades. Happy with the way that I came in Monday morning, patient, 2 solid trades, and that's good because I needed that to start. If you guys want, watch my video from Friday. You will see why, just trying to take the higher quality trades and trade less. All right. Makes sense. I know it sounds obvious, but for some reason, when we're trading, you know, it's either never enough or we go red and we want to get back to green and we dig ourselves an even bigger hole. So that's it here, guys, for me. 87.50 on the day. Very good start. Very happy with that today. And, you know, if you guys traded today, leave your trades in the comment section. Let me know how you guys did. If you want to join our community, the link will be in the description as well. Come on in. You're more than welcome. All right, guys, that's it for me. I will see you back tomorrow with day 2. Take care, guys.